Here is 16 pieces of 1-inch Schedule 80 PVC with steel connections pipe. The pump was hanging in the well, 320 feet deep. It's being removed, and it's going to be replaced with a 1¼ inch Schedule 80 PVC with steel connections on it, and 2 pieces of 1¼ inch galvanized on the top. 362 feet deep. The old wire checked out as good as new, so it's going to be reused. Here's the new pump. It's been connected to the pipe. Electrical splice has been made, has been taped correctly to the side of the drop pipe. We're about to install it now.